Too dark. Wait. There we go. Hey guys, that's our Prime. I'm here with my second video on my 11th Dr. Sonic screwdriver. So let's go. And yeah, it's been a while since you've seen my face. Since I had to go through and delete all my old videos. So here we go. Here we got the Sonic. You see right here, from here to here is all that bronze gold paint. Well, I didn't like this. You open the button, you get that red button which says the sounds, which I'm not going to demonstrate with that button. No. Then you have the marble white plastic around for the holster. Another gold bronze, the black plastic, which is good. And you have the detail of all the silver, present in the metal, bronze again. And right here's a button. Press it. Top button extends the Sonic, and you can see all that green detailing on the inside for the column. Then you have the green emitter right here. You close the back. I just press on the tip, which apparently didn't do that first. So going over sound, there's a second button right there. Press it, you get 1, 2, 3, nope, 4. To get the third and fourth sound, you press this 3 times for this one, 4 times for this one. But I wouldn't recommend doing the secondary sounds because it'll drain the battery good. But now I'm just going to show it off with the back button. I know a lot of people complain about the 11th screwdriver. That's why they're out buying the now 12th Dr. screwdrivers. But for people who don't want to go out and buy this thing, I found a trick. Extend it, and then you take your finger, grip it like that, and you can get it to work. Yeah. Let me just show the effects off in the dark real quick. Hang on. There you go. So 1, 2, 3, nope, and 4. So yeah, I was playing a different video, but since I'm using my dad's computer right now, my mom's camera's off, so figured, hey, what the heck with using this? But yeah, Sutton ain't here with me today because didn't plan this, like I said. Here my okay. I don't know. There you go. But yeah, please comment. And this has been SR Prime with the 11th Dr. Sonic screwdriver. Wait, right there. And thanks for watching.